Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I want to discuss Snapchat games. Most importantly, where has it gone? If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So Snapchat is one of the most popular social media platforms and is used by millions of people around the world. They're able to send pictures, videos, and other media via the app. Up until recently, you could play a series of mini games such as Aquapark, Battleship, and many more from the app, which would allow you to compete with your friends. So the games feature provided entertainment for many, but recently users noticed that the feature was no longer available, leading them to wonder whether it has been removed entirely. So here's what you need to know about the feature. Yes, Snapchat has removed the games feature from the app. In a tweet from Snapchat support, you can see it is confirmed. As it says, games and minis are no longer available. We'll be bringing more focus to other Snapchat products and features that will be beneficial to creators and content viewers. So the removal of games feature seems to have come as a disappointment to many people who frequently use the feature, but whether it will make a comeback at any point, this remains a mystery. And there you go, it has been confirmed. Snapchat has removed the game feature from the Snapchat app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.